Hello everyone. It's May 10th, 2025. Back up at you-know-where, the Wyman South Garage, Rockford, Illinois. Let's get another view of the Rock River. Today is another absolutely gorgeous day. Very warm out. I think it's almost 80 today. When I left Wheaton it was much colder, so up here it's much warmer. Anyway, this is update 3 on the Dover Modernization. There's quite a bit to report on today. Bye-bye Dover Impulse. Hello Innovation Bruiser. Pretty much all the call stations have been replaced at this point. The lanterns. All of this was still Dover last week, so they moved through this really quickly this week. There's the signs, which the city's gonna have to put back up. Let's head down the stairwell and go take a look at the other floors. Here's 5. Here's 4. Here's a closer look at the intermediate lantern and indicator. This one's going to have indicators on every floor now, I guess. That's kind of cool. Intermediate call station. This one's taped over. The really disappointing thing is I left 2 notes for the Schumacher techs and never got anything back from them. Didn't leave me any parts or anything, so I don't know. At this point, chances of me getting any of the old parts from this are very slim. I'm not sure what happened, but oh well, such is life. There's 2. I still have a little bit of hope that they've set some stuff aside for me, but I doubt it at this point. Here is the first floor. That famous sign. Still have to put an indicator in up there. Everything's the same over here. Same boxes. Let's see if it's sitting down here. I can't really tell. Yeah, here it is. Everything's out. COP's out. Can't tell if they're doing the cab or not. They're moving right through this. So there it is. That was your update for May 10th, 2025. Stay tuned for more. That'll be it.